Today I'm going to show you how to make coloring books with Leonardo AI, step by step, in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If you want to turn any image into printable black and white line art, this is a fast and creative workflow that can save you a ton of time. Whether you want to make coloring pages for kids, create custom printable art, or build a whole coloring book style collection, this method is a great place to start. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Leonardo AI in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll want to start with the image you want to transform. You can either drag and drop your image directly into the prompt area, or click the image guidance icon if you prefer to upload it that way. This is the part that tells Leonardo AI what image to use as the base for your coloring page. After your image uploads, make sure you select that uploaded image as the reference. This is important because the AI needs to understand which picture you want to convert. Once the reference image is selected, you can move on to the prompt. This is where you tell Leonardo AI exactly what style you want. In the prompt box, type something like, "Convert this image into a black and white coloring book page with clean, bold outlines, no shading, no grayscale, white background, printable line art." That prompt gives the AI very clear instructions. You want to focus on simple outlines, strong edges, and a clean white background so the result looks like a real coloring page and not a regular photo. If you want even better results, keep your prompt specific. You can mention things like bold contour lines, minimal detail, child-friendly style, or high contrast outlines. The more direct you are, the better the output usually is. If the first result is too detailed or still looks too much like a photo, you can adjust the prompt and try again with stronger wording like no shadows, no texture, and no background clutter. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate and let Leonardo AI create the image. Give it a few moments to process and then review the result. If it looks good, you now have a coloring book style page that you can download, print, or use as part of a larger collection. If it needs improvement, simply refine the prompt and generate a new version until you get the clean line art style you want. This method is especially useful if you want to make custom coloring pages from pets, characters, objects, or any image you already have. It's also a great way to build digital products, classroom materials, or fun printable activities. And because Leonardo AI handles the conversion for you, the process is much faster than tracing everything manually. So just to recap, open Leonardo AI, upload your image, select it as the reference, enter a prompt that asks for black and white coloring book line art with bold outlines and no shading, then click Generate. That's it. You've just learned how to make coloring books with Leonardo AI in a quick and easy way. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.